We're talking about the nudges. They are impulses that come to us as a warning. Uh, Surely something where a wrong decision on our part has been made, and they are wiser than we in knowing the consequences, which will not follow up in the intentions that they and we are having in the future or when they occur. I've had the nudges a few times and very strong if the indication requires it. This is not a conscious element because we are not evaluating ourselves. This is something about our future which we uh, are incorrectly uh, approaching by our own decision, and it's not the best one to be had. So the nudges change our attitude and are very effective. What they show, there is something very strong mentally that is concerned with how are we doing when we get into the philosophical attitude and uh, try to follow that through with all the mental conditions that it leads us into. We, they, the nudges, have an idea of what is ahead, which we do not, or we hope or desire something to occur, but that doesn't make it so. So they are extra to help us. They, we have a freedom within tolerances, but they, which are limited to what we know and what we presume. But these have a big, larger understanding, and it's futuristic but logical as our brain will becoming more overseeing of all elements. The nudges help us avoid difficulties, those unfavorable to the lifestyle we're tending towards, as is only applicable to them. They are showing us a deeper understanding that we someday will evolve into. It is not a conscience, it's beyond that. It knows the future. And we know Nietzsche had that famous saying, an eternal recurrence could be happening even right now as we all live our life. And this is just happening again. And so they see what's ahead and it very easily inform us. So the nudges are an indication of things to come. There are names I give them. The communicators will be the next topic, and it's more fulfilling. The nudges are personal. The communicators are general and touch all things like that. So it's looking deeper into the self, not seeing the matter part in front of us, but the thought, personality of our inner self inside.